Okay guys, so trending ngayon ang issue ni very popular content creator na si Ivana Alawi na nag-giveaway siya ng, I think, 100 iPhone 17s. Pero, ang akala nyo, mechanics niya is, all you have to do is comment down on her giveaway video kung anong color ang gusto nyo. Pero ang plot twist doon, may plot twist siya. Kailangan mo mag-follow sa page ng very popular gambling app or website. And maraming nababash sa kanya. And baka kasi mabash din ako, pero I will just say this. Sinabi ni Lord sa isa sa mga beatitudes niya is, blessed are those who are persecuted for the sake of righteousness. Yun na lang masasabi ko. Reminded that this is my personal stance. I do not intend to hate or attack anyone here kasi personal opinion ko lang naman to. And my opinion here is that I think valid ang mga opinions ng people na i-question si Ivana Alawi kasi ganito kasi yung opinion ko. Kasi kung magi-giveaway ka tapos may part sa mechanics na i-follow mo ang very popular gambling website, gambling kasi yon. Parang baka kasi na lalo na very big influencer si Ivana Alawi. I feel like almost everyone here sa country natin may kilala sa kanya, and since ganun nga ang traction niya, ganun nga ang name that she built for herself, guaranteed na may mga tao nagtitiwala sa kanya, lalo na maraming nagpo-follow sa kanya, maraming nanonood, nag-giveaway siya. Tapos kung hindi guaranteed na na-follow lang ang gagawin ng ibang tao dyan sa page ng gambling site na yan, kasi malamang makikurious sila. Kasi for me kasi parang may in a way, parang commission, maybe, si Ivana na pag may mag-try sa gambling site nila, kikita siya doon. Kasi, kailangan i-follow eh. Kasi, again, hindi guaranteed na kailangan lang i-follow lang ng iba kasi baka ma-curious sila siya. Kung pinopromote ni Ivana Alawi, malamang sa malamang, trusted to, legit. Kahit sabihin natin legit nga siya, pero the thing is, it's still gambling. Kahit gaano pa ka-legit ang gambling site, never guaranteed na mananalo ka. And people will try, baka ma-curious sila sa, try ko lang to, isa. Pero the thing is, even in video games pa nga lang yung iba, parang na-addicted na sila na parang sasabihin nila na, baka kasi next try ko, makuha ko na eh. So they keep trying and they try and try and try until naubusan na sila and lahat na i-gamble nila, and in some cases na people even gamble their home away for the sake of, because they hold on to this tiny thread of hope na they will win something big. Pero, in the end, sobrang konti lang yung amount of people na nananalo. And people will keep holding on to that thread of hope na sabi nila, baka part ako sa percentage na nun na manalo. So, ayun nga, that's just my personal stance na kasi, if you're an influencer, and you promote stuff to your viewers, you should be mindful of what you're promoting. And I will add, I'm not saying that I am superior, but this is just my personal experience. Kahit hindi ako malaking influencer, hindi naman ako influencer, I'm just a content creator. May mga nag-o-offer din sa akin ng mga gambling websites and apps na malaki ang kikitain ko nun. Malaki ang offer sa amin. Pero me and my family stand with kahit gaano pa kalaki ang i-offer sa amin, we will never accept it because we know na people could potentially get addicted to it, and it could cause pwedeng ako pa yung magkaroon ng kasalanan na ako pa yung may kasalanan na people will get addicted and potentially ruin their lives. So ayun, personal stance ko lang yun. I do not intend to hate or attack anyone. Personal opinion ko lang siya. Ayun, thank you.